Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. My name is Disney. Come along with us on this POV adventure of the seas with Nemo and friends. Let's go explore!
Hello, explorers! For your safety, please remain seated. Hands, arms, feet, legs, and fins inside your shell. Be sure to supervise your lead, explorers.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies, piernas y aletas dentro del vehículo. Y no se olviden brazos, pies, piernas y aletas dentro del vehículo. Y no se olviden vigilarlos.
We can take picture, no flash.
Hello, explorers! For your safety, please remain seated. Hands, feet, legs, and fins inside your
Nemo, where are you, son? Nemo? Oh, not again.
Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for us along the way. Let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great fish. Oh, what's on the wall? I'm on the floor.
Nemo, where are you, Nemo? He's my son. You know that. We went on a huge adventure together, which you don't remember at all.
Is he orange with white stripes and looks kind of like you, only smaller?
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who? Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son. And the next jellyfish. Nemo, stop playing games.
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like
Jellyfish.
right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink. Kind of.
That's jellyfish.
You're good. And I'm thinking.
Jellyfish.
Like I'm scared now. Excuse me. Neener, neener, neener.
Stop fooling around.
Can I get a little light here?
Swim over and say good day to your old pal Bruce. Don't worry, morsel, mate. Fish are friends of food.
You're a squirt.
Welcome to the EAC, dude.
When everybody's looking for you.
Really?
can turn our stomachs inside out, I can amuse your friends.
Thanks again everyone for joining us on this POV adventure of the Seas with Nemo and Friends. Wasn't Nemo so cute? And guys, don't forget to walk forward.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.